Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you make a clean and professional product launch video using HeyGen step by step. So first you can just open the heygen.com and start creating your videos. Here you can go to the avatar first. You can create your own avatar or choose the existing one, for example this one right here. Now you can just here click on create with AI Studio. Now you can just add your script in here. I'm going to just go with the AI script writer, and I'm going to just go with the product announcement. Create me a 1-minute product announcement video for the new skincare product. Okay, so the HeyGen AI will directly write the script for you. So this is the script. Click on accept, and now you can choose the voice. In here, I'm going to just leave it in default, and here you can go with the layout right here. I'm going to just click on generate at the top and choose, say I'm doing just write new product and the resolution and everything, and you can just tap on submit. And just wait until HeyGen generate the video for you. As you guys can see, it's still progressing. You can just wait until the video is done. Okay, so now the video is done. Here is the launch video product. So let's just hit on a play button or click on a video to preview the result. So this is how it will look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.